Okay, third grade, we are going to be learning how to use Google Sites. As you can see, I'm in my Google Drive, and I'm going to go to my 9 Square Waffle here, and I'm going to go down and find the button for Sites. Because I've been in the county for a long time, it's going to show that I've got a lot of different Google Sites here, guys. You'll probably have very little. So the first thing we're going to do when we get to Google Sites is click on the plus button for a blank site. Once that happens, you're going to see that some things start working in your favor to begin a template that begins your Google site. Now, this is new. If you just saw that reminder that just came up, that's new to me, so that may come up. You can, of course, as always, experiment with some of the things that go on with your Google site, but I'm going to show you some basic things. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to create your page title. Okay, so right here it says your page title. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the title of my page. Now, the first time we do this, we want to be talking about something that we know a lot about, because what we don't want to be doing is spending time researching or trying to find information about something as we're trying to learn the site. So I'm going to do fostering dogs, because we've had some experience in my family fostering dogs. So as you can see, once I change the name, now we have a title to our page. Up here I've got a site. Okay, this is the title of my page, and here's the title of my site. So here I'm going to do I'm going to call this the same thing, fostering dogs. For you guys, if you're doing a project with your teacher, you may call this like ancient civilizations, or what the project's actually about. But I'm just showing you that we have a site name and the page title here, guys. Okay, so there are a couple things we can do with our title. Right here, I can change the background image. If I click over here, I can upload, which means I can pick an image that I already have selected, or I can go, already have saved, or I can go to select an image, which will give me Google images. So here we have our gallery, which are basic images selected by Google. There are also things that we can do. We can search by URL. That's if we already know the web page. So if you know a fostering site, we got our dog from Wolf Trap Animal Rescue, so maybe I'll go to that. What I'm going to use is the search, and this is a good time to remind you guys that when we're searching on Google, we can't guarantee that the pictures are going to come up are going to be appropriate for what we're doing. So we have to go back to our digital citizenship lesson and remember that when we are searching for images, we want to make sure that we know what to do if we come across an image that we're searching for. So remember, if you're on your laptop and you find an inappropriate image, you close your laptop, you let mom or dad know since you're at home, or you let your teacher know if you're in the classroom, and the teacher comes and helps you get rid of it, and we go for better searches. So I'm going to write fostering. I'm going to write pictures of puppies. Okay, and as you can see, I come up to a bunch of very cute pictures. Now, if I know specifically which kind of dog that I want to get, then I've got to be more specific in my search. So pictures of blue heeler puppies. Okay, the more specific you are, the better you are at getting animals specific to that. Oh, that is a cute picture. So take a look here. I picked the picture of the puppy in the background, and what it's going to do is it's going to actually put this picture in the background. Now, one thing you'll notice is that this works well. This white lettering with the background picture, you can see everything. But if it doesn't, there's this button over here that takes the readability adjustment off. And when you do that, it'll go back to creating like a little bit brighter of a picture or anything like that. Now, I can change the image, I can reset, and I can change the header type. All right, so we've got some options. If we want it to be a whole cover, it's going to make the picture really big. We've got the large banner, we've got regular banner, and we've got title only. I'm going to pick banner. I think that works well for a web page, and then I'm going to move on to our next step. So what you just saw here is how to title the page, title the site, and put a background picture in your title banner.